Let's get to that final trade of the day. Here with the last trade on our show is Mike Shorr, day trader at Prosper Trading Academy. Mike, tell us about your stock pick.
Yeah, I'm looking at DoorDash. Dash is our ticker. And normally for a day trade, I don't trade off of a daily chart, but this is an interesting one. So the day trade off of the daily chart. If you look back 2 earnings ago, there's a nice gap that DoorDash has to fill. And if we can get through that gap, that's at 126.83. If it gets through that, that also takes out the top of the Donchian channel that recently has been formed. So you have 2 bullish breakouts here. Now, it is a kind of a tricky one because if we can't hold the bottom of that, or the what is now the top of that gap, then you have a lot of room to the downside, but that's why we use stops. And then you have a nice path up to 134, 135, somewhere in that neighborhood. So it could be a big one with these markets running the way that they are.
We see in the news, Mike, that DoorDash is fairly consistent with working on ways to expand. Are you picking DoorDash as your trade for any fundamental reasons or going purely with what you see happening in the charts?
No, this is straight. This is straight on technicals. I mean, fundamentally, I think it's it becomes more and more ubiquitous that of people using their services. They branch out into other things. I like the company in general, and as the markets move back up, what you look for are stocks that maybe are lagging a little bit and have the potential to come and catch up, and that's why I'm looking at DoorDash.
Thank you, Mike.
All right, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.